Enterprises are entering a new operational era where generative AI is no longer an experiment, but a core capability shaping how organizations operate, scale, and compete. The real transformation is not about replacing people, but about augmenting human decision-making, accelerating execution, and increasing operational intelligence across the enterprise. At Gtemas, we see generative AI as a force multiplier for enterprise operations, unlocking efficiency, resilience, and adaptability in complex systems. Modern enterprises operate across fragmented systems, siloed teams, and increasingly complex workflows. As organizations scale, operational overhead grows faster than productivity. Manual processes, delayed decision-making, and inconsistent execution become major bottlenecks. Traditional automation helps, but it stops at predefined rules. What enterprises need today is intelligent operations that can understand context, learn from data, and support humans in real time. This is where generative AI fundamentally changes the game. Generative AI introduces a new operating model for enterprises, one where AI acts as a continuous co-pilot across daily operations. Instead of simply executing tasks, AI systems can interpret unstructured data such as documents, tickets, logs, and conversations. AI can generate insights, summaries, and recommendations in real time. AI assists teams in planning, analysis, and execution. AI reduces cognitive load and operational friction across functions. The result is faster workflows, fewer errors, and better informed decisions without removing human ownership. Across industries, generative AI is reshaping core operational functions. AI transforms scattered enterprise knowledge into accessible intelligence, summarizing reports, answering internal queries, and reducing time spent searching for information. By understanding process context, generative AI helps optimize workflows, detect inefficiencies, and suggest improvements beyond static automation rules. AI-assisted support systems enable faster resolution, better response quality, and consistent service, while allowing human teams to focus on complex, high-impact cases. In software delivery and IT operations, AI accelerates planning, documentation, testing, incident analysis, and root cause identification, dramatically improving velocity and reliability. Enterprise-grade AI is not autonomous AI. At Gtemas, we emphasize human-in-the-loop architectures where AI supports decision-making but does not replace accountability. Humans remain responsible for validation, judgment, and final outcomes. This approach ensures trust and transparency. It ensures regulatory and compliance alignment. It allows for safer adoption at enterprise scale. AI becomes a partner, not a black box. Successfully adopting generative AI requires more than technology. Enterprises must invest in clean, well-structured data foundations. They need clear governance and security controls. Operational processes must be designed for AI collaboration. Teams must be trained to work alongside AI systems. Without these elements, AI initiatives remain isolated pilots instead of scalable capabilities. Gtemas helps enterprises integrate generative AI into real operational workflows, not as standalone tools, but as embedded capabilities. Our approach combines deep engineering expertise, capability-driven teams, and structured delivery frameworks. We focus on measurable outcomes. reduced operational effort, faster execution, improved quality, and sustainable scalability. Generative AI marks a shift from task automation to operational intelligence. Enterprises that adopt AI thoughtfully, augmenting people, strengthening processes, and embedding intelligence into daily operations will move faster, operate smarter, and adapt more effectively to change. This is not a future vision. It is already happening, and the organizations that act now will define the next era of enterprise operations.